Angi.
Angi. Angi or
Angi.
Yes. And to accept Krishna as our maintainer. This is the main thing. So, because my material conception of maintenance seems to me like maintenance is this body and the material things, you know. And I'd like to know if this means that we should, in our lives, do things like make our own efforts, but thinking Krishna, we're doing this for Krishna, or we should give up our efforts, like to maintain ourselves in this material world because Krishna will maintain. Did you understand?
So, Krishna is our maintainer. He maintains everything to us. Who is giving the food to us?
Krishna.
Krishna is giving everything. Understand? Braj language है अजगर ना करे चाकरी पंछी ना करे काम सबके दाता राम. अजगर means python. Python, understand? Python is not doing any job, nothing, just laying down. But also he gets the food or not. And Punkshi Nakari kam. And the birds, they are not doing any work job. Also they are also getting food. For this regard, saying Sabke Data Ram. Actual how much you get food or everything also predestined and predicted. Predestined and predicted. Understand? Why? Because according to previous karma, that karma will give everything to you. Give an example. If anybody stay in the jail, according to the law of the jail, the jailer have to give the food of the prisoners. Give or not? Water, food, medicine, whatever his need, the prisoner have give to him. This is the law. Even the material world, law is. In the same way, actually we are staying in this material world is called the Maya Karagar. The prison of Maya. Prison. And Maya Karagar. And all we are prisoners. Staying in Maya Karagar. Durga Devi, she is the jailer of this Maya Karagar. So her duty also these things to give us food, everything this way. How she is giving? According our previous put of action karma. How much you will get with that just you don't know. For this regard we are endeavoring, doing many things, doing hard work, your efforts are going on this way. This is true. Everything's prepared for you. So, Goptitya Varang, these things, Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my protector. When this conception will come, that time you are not anxious, no anxiety in your heart. This is the things. Just you perform your duty and responsibilities. So in the same way, Krishna consciousness, spiritual things, so when you surrender to Krishna means you think, Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my protector. And Krishna is but our endeavors need. Eh? Our endeavors, then Krishna's mercy will come. Eh? Mother Yashoda, she tried to bind to Krishna with the rope. So morning to midday, she was trying to bind to Krishna. But every time the rope shorted 2 fingers. Eh? Why? Here Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad explain, the Mother Yashoda's endeavors. I have to bind to Krishna. And our Krishna first is thinking, no, I don't want bind it with my mother. And Krishna desires is coming. What desires? I don't want to bind it. And our mother Yashoda is thinking, no, I have to bind Krishna. Look this thing. Krishna Ichha, Bhagavad Ichha. A Krishna Ichha and Bhakta Ichha. Ichha understand? The desire of Krishna or desires of devotee, Mother Yashoda. Both are now rival going on this way. Mother Yashoda desires, I have to bind Krishna. Or Krishna desires, no, I don't want to bind it. I want to independent. So for this regard, by Yogamaya, Mother Yashoda, she tried to bind to Krishna. But every time 2 fingers shut. Look this thing. 1 finger, significance of, what is that? Mother Yashoda's efforts. Or another, Krishna does not want to bind. This thing. But finally what happened? Who defeat? Whose desire defeat? Krishna desire defeat. Then Krishna noticed how Mother Yashoda, she is very eager to bind to me. This. Then Krishna himself binded with the rope Mother Yashoda. Dishtva parisramam kripasit sabandhane. Kripasit sabandhane. Sabandhane. Actual Mother Yashoda, according to Tattva Darshan, Mother Yashoda, she did not bind to Krishna. 2 philosophies. One is called Tattva Darshan and Rasa Darshan. Tattva Darshan, the philosophy, the Mother Yashoda, she can't bind to Krishna. Because Krishna is Bhagavan. Who can bind to him? Who is Bhagavan? He is also called Brahma. Jatirmaya Brahma. Who is Bhagavan? He is called Paramatma, super soul. Or who is Bhagavan? He is Sarvagga. All knowing power is there. Who resides in everywhere. So how possible Mother Yashoda, she will bind to Krishna? If Mother Yashoda would bind to Krishna with the rope, inside, outside, Paramatma is there or not? Do you understand it? First to understand, who is Krishna? Vadanti tattva vadas tattam jaj ganamadhyam brahmeti paramatmati bhagavaneti sabdate. Who is Bhagavan? Here 3 aspects. Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavatta. Vaishya Vijya Jasa Sri Jnana Vairagoscha. 6 opulences in there. So how possible Mother Yashoda, she would bind to Krishna? Not possible. And according to Tattvic Vichar, conception of the scriptures, Ved, Puran, Upanishad explain, he is Parabrahma, Bhagavan, Jatirmaya Brahma. Understand? He is formless, he has no Nirakar, Nirvises, Brahma. If the Nirvises, Nirakar, he has no form, so how can bind to him? This question is coming. Brahma Jnani, Tattva Jnani, they also saying this way. He is Nirakar. Nirakar means no form. So how to bind to him? If anything has form, then you can bind. If it has no form, figure, you cannot bind. Eh? So Brahmagyani, they are saying how person. Yogis, according to the Yoga Darshan, is Paramatma, super soul. Super soul, Paramatma, he resides everywhere. Eh? He resides everywhere. Every what is called? Atom. Eh? He resides everywhere. Eh? Mother Yashoda, she tried to bind to Krishna with a rope. Rasi. But inside, outside, also Paramatma is there. Eh? So how possible Mother Yashoda bind to Krishna?
Not possible.
So Brahmagyani, Yogi, Tattvagyani, they are thinking how possible Mother Yashoda will bind to Krishna. Now so Sukadeva Goswami Pad very nicely told to Parikshit Maharaj, Drishtva Parisramam, when Krishna saw, noticed the Mother Yashoda so much endeavors, efforts to bind to Krishna. And so much sweat, perspiration dropping from her body. Perspiration dropping. And every time when she tried to bind to Krishna, always two fingers, notice, shortage. Then gopis, they also joked to Mother Yashoda, how to bind to Krishna. And in Krishna's fate is not binded. Even said. So gopis, their mood is this way. The Krishna is as like their family's member. He is a small baby. Everything is so far this regard Shastra says, if you have no binded in your faith, so how to bind to him? So gopis, they also mix. They made clubs, joke to Mother Yashoda. Krishna's fate is not bind. So how to bind to him? There is one of these things, always we are saying everything according to our fate, fortune, fate and fortune. This is true or wrong? That is Sanskrit word bhagya. Kena opi bhagyena labbate. Everybody will get everything according to their fate. Bhagya, fortune. So for this gopis, they also joke to Mother Yashoda. Brahmaji, he did not write to Krishna's fate to bind it. Try to bind it. But Mother Yashoda, second, why not? I gave birth one small baby, and I cannot bind. This is so much her also. This is called the Vatsalya Bhav. Parental mood in the heart. Mother Yashoda, she never thinks Krishna is Bhagavan or Parabrahma or Paramatma. Mother Yashoda, she thinks he is what?
My son.
He is my an ordinary, innocent baby. You think this is my innocent baby? This is true. This is the symptom of Vatsalya Bhav. But Krishna Tattva is Tattva Darshan, Krishna is Parabrahma Bhagavan. According to Yoga Darshan, he is called also Paramatma. Brahma Darshan, he is called also effulgence. Tattvik Darshan, according he is called Bhagavan, Aishwarya, Virya, Jasasri, Jnana, Vairagya. He is Bhagavan. Everything is there. So for this regard, this sloka is giving Vadanti Tattva Vidas Tattam Jaj Ganamadhyam Brahmeti Paramatmi Bhagavaniti Sabdati. But now I also see two digits coming. Two fingers. First understand, two fingers. One digit for Krishna or another digit for
Yashoda.
Mother Yashoda. Mother Yashoda's digit I have to bind Krishna. And another digit coming Krishna. I don't want to bind. Now Krishna desires faith. And Lord Bhagavan is Rasik Brahma. Eh? He always faith. And if he would not fail, then his Madhurya will not manifest. Understand? Bhagavatta means is what? Supremacy. That is called Oisarya. So, Mother Jasoda, that is called Madhurya mode. And so, in front of Madhurya mode, then Oisarya mode have to defeat. Understand? Then Oisarya mode defeat, then Madhurya mode completely covered to Oisarya. Understand or not?
Yes.
Little bit philosophy there. So then Krishna's Bhagavatta disappear. And Oisarya Bhagavatta means Oisarya mode disappear. Then Madhurya mode she conquered everything. Then Krishna is thinking, oh, my Oisarya mood, Bhagavatta, I cannot do so to Mother Jashoda, because my Oisarya now completely defeated. Then Krishna noticed the mother so much endeavors we have to bind to me. Then Krishna himself bind. So here the Sukadeva Goswami explained this way. The drishtva parisramam kripasit sabandhane. Kripasit sabandhane, Krishna himself accepted the bind of Mother Jashoda. Bandhan sikar. This thing. Or another Rasatattva vichar. The Mother Jashoda, her Vatsalya. With her Vatsalya Prem. Vatsalya Prem, she binded Krishna. This is the Rasa Vichar. Rasa Vichar. These are things. So now coming in two fingers coming, one Mother Jashoda endeavors, or another fifth, and Sadhak Chesta. Our endeavors are another finger, what is that? Krishna's mercy, Bhagavad Kripa. And so teaching to us for the general sadhaka. When our endeavors will come, efforts will come, then we will receive the mercy of Krishna, Krishna Kripa. Our endeavors, then Krishna's mercy will come. This is the process. So that means you cannot say the Mother Jashoda she bind to Krishna, this mercy of Krishna. You cannot say this word. This is for sadhaka. Do you understand? Mother Jashoda she bind to Krishna by the mercy of Krishna. You cannot use this word. So how possible if they use this word? How the Vatsalya Bhav will come? This is the things. Tattva darshan, this is true. Kripasit savandhane. Krishna himself binded Mother Jashoda. This is true. Actually, Mother Jashoda she bind to Krishna and with her Vatsalya Prem. Vatsalya Prem, this is what one kind of rope. Prema Rajju. Prema Rajju means the rope of divine love. Understand? Prema Rajju. Rajju means rope. Prema means love. So in this way, our acharyas, Chief Goswami Pad, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Gurupad, all the acharyas explain prema Rajju. even in this material world, also in this love, to bind to each others. Actually, that is called the Maya Moha. We are using love in this material world. That is not love. That is called Maya and Moha. Moha, understand? Moha means deep attachment, illusion. For this regard, people they are staying and each others, feeling separation to each others, and crying for each others. That is called the Maya Moha. Moha means deep attachment. This is coming from the illusion of Maya. But transcendental that Krishna, Madhva, Jasoda and Brajavasi, that is not illusion. That is no Maya Moha. That is your Krishna Leela. Leela Sakti. She performs all these things for them and giving all kinds of happiness. For the Idrikos Leelavi Ananda Kunde Shaghosa Nivajjantam Idrikos Leelavi Ananda Kunde Shaghosa Nivajjantam Akchapayantam Tadyasitagyesu Bhakti Tattam Punaprimastattam Satabriti Vande. In this way, Krishna, he performs Leela in Braj. Why? Two things. Krishna is showing to those who are the devotee of Aishwarya Marga. Idrika Silabhi Ananda Kunde Saghosa Nimajjantam Tadya Isatagyesu. Those who are the devotee of opulence mode, Krishna showing to them, hey, opulence mode devotee, Aishwarya Marga Bhakta, I never controlled by you, but I completely control those who are devotee of Madhurya Ras, sweetness mode. They can control. This is the thing. Krishna is as like black bee. Black bee going to the lotus and also collect the honeys. Black bee collect the honey from the lotus. When lotus open, petals open, then black bee taking the lotus, honey fall, and sitting in it. But when sun goes down, then all the petals close. Same, that black bee cannot come out from the lotus. Why? Because taking so much pollen, honey from the lotus, then all his limbs and body completely what? Inactive. Then he's sleeping in there. Because drinking too much honey. And as like if anybody drank so much alcohol, his body cannot walk and laying down. Many people, those who are drinking too much alcohol, they cannot walk, cannot open his eyes. All his limbs are body completely what? Inactive, not working. In the same way, Krishna is Rasik Brahma. He tested all the rasas from the heart of the Brajavasi. That's the Sakha Vatsala Madhurya. So now Krishna's body completely inactive. Given this example, the Parima Angri, how is powerful this prema? Krishna is staying in there. Inside the lotus. Who is staying? Black bee. Here they give example, Krishna is black bee and Gopis prem. They're different even. Gopis and Brajavasi's prem. That's the Sakha Vatsala. That is called the pollen or honey. And lotus,
Open.
and they are, when lotus is open, that can come out. Otherwise not. So they. in the same way, Rasik Brahma Krishna, he binded with the prem of Brajvasis. So now coming in this way, in this material world, because simultaneously we are giving example, in this material world, people they are elucidated and Maya Moha, or they are staying together. Understand? Illusion. Maya secretes the illusion for the conditions. But transcendental world, there is no roles of Maya. That is Yogmaya she arranged. And Yogmaya she arranged. Yogmaya she arranged how they will meet together, how they also separation each others, and their lila is going on this. So now coming in this way, Guptitte Varana, then one sadhak stage and siddha stage. Sadhak stage, then you think Krishna is my maintainer. Krishna is maintaining my life. And he is giving food, everything is giving. But one thing, those who are high class sadhakas, they are thinking, why I will depend on Krishna? Krishna is a small baby. Oh, for why I will give to respect or responsibility to me to maintain my life. You cannot say this way, my baby, she maintain my life. You cannot say this way. And I can maintain our life. This is the mood of Brajvasis. And Krishna is Bhagavan, they never think of this. And they are not giving the responsibility to Krishna, maintain us. But sometimes Viraha Dasha, and that time this mood is coming. Visa Jala Payat, Bela Rakshasa, Varasamarutat, Vaiduta Nalat. Gopi Gita. That is the Viraha Dasha, when they have Viraha separation from Krishna. And that time they also pray to Krishna. Krishna, hey Krishna, you protect us. They know Krishna is not our protector. We are the protector of Krishna. Opposite way. Krishna is small baby. So how possible Krishna protect to us? But sometimes they also call to Krishna, protect to the Braj, any demon come at that time. They know one thing, that Krishna, he has some mystic power. Narayana Samagunai. At that name giving ceremony, Namkarana Sanskar, Gargacharya, he told to Nanda Jasoda, hey Nanda Jasoda, though your Krishna is small baby, but all the qualification Narayan inside. Understand? Gargacharya, he realized Krishna is Bhagavan. So but indirectly, he told to Nanda Jasoda, Narayana Samagunai. And your son will he will be perform many kinds of activities by the mercy of Narayana. So for this regard, Nanda Jasoda Brajavasi the thinking. And Krishna has no power. Sometimes Narayan, what is called, possesses his body, then he can do it. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. They saw 7 days, 7 nights with his left hand, small finger, Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. Big Giriraj Govardhan. How possible? They are thinking Krishna did not lift Giriraj Govardhan. Lifted Giriraj Govardhan. Who? Narayan. Narayan possesses his body, then Narayan. On another hand, also saying, Sakha's friends of Krishna, they are saying, no, Krishna, you are not lifted Giriraj. Also we support it. Gopis told, no, Krishna, you did not lift Giriraj Govardhan. Who did? With our glance. Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Giriraj Govardhan, don't you fall down. If you fall down, then with my eyes glance, I will destroy you. So he had to do. So this is true also. Rasvicha, conception of the Who lifted Giriraj Govardhan? Srimati Radhika. And because Srimati Radhika, she is the potency of Krishna. Krishna Shakti. Eh? Krishna is called Shaktiman, Srimati Radhika, she is called Shakti. Eh? So there are many tattva siddhanta in this way. Eh? So Gopitya Varanam this way. On sadhak stage, or Krishna is a mind maintainer. Or Siddha, Krishna and Gopitya Varanam. Krishna, they are completely surrendered to Krishna. Govinda Damu Dharma Daveti Govinda Damu Dharma Daveti He Krishna He Jadava He Saketi Govinda Damu Dharma Daveti. Oh, I told all English, you do not understand. That's something. Understand? All. I don't understand.
Esqueceu de traduzir.
Sometimes you forgot to stop. Just I am thinking you do it. What is your name? Your name? Anandamai.
She makes the mandalas Jagannatha.
Oh.
She's fine.
Oh, yesterday you brought that there.
Yeah, she is pretty.
Oh, very nice. She's a nice painter. She lives in her.
Near here, San Francisco de Paula, 100 kilometers from here.
100 kilometers. Very close.
Very close. Not close. It's not close.
She's so very close. 100 kilometers. Yeah, you can see here.
Here is Vrindavan, is the other side from the world. 100 kilometers.
Yeah, here Vrindavan this side. We are very close to Vrindavan.
It's on the other side.
Yeah, very nice place. Very place. Yeah.
The things that related to our spiritual life, bhakti, and these things are also predicted by karma.
Karma, bhakti is not dependent. Bhakti is not dependent on karma. Bhakti only depends on the sukriti, then sadhu sangha. Bhakti is not dependent on karma.
Sukriti, it's not how they get sukriti and
Sukriti, I told you right there. Sukriti and Punna related to Sukriti related to spiritual things. Two kinds of Sukriti. One is called Gyata Sukriti, another is called Agyata Sukriti. Knowingly and unknowingly. Sukriti things related with Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavan.
it's not
That's
sukriti.
related. Sukriti. Understand? Sukriti. Su means beautiful, Kriti means your endeavors. Knowingly you, unknowingly you offering the water, the tulasi. You don't know that is the tulasi leaves, a tulasi plant. You are giving water in your garden. That is Sukriti. Huh? This Sukriti is called unknowingly. You don't know he is Vaishnava. She is Vaishnava. But you serve to him. Anyhow, this is Sukritika. Knowingly, unknowingly, many ways we also collect Sukriti. People, they don't know the glories of Tulasi. In their garden, one Tulasi plant has come. Every day he is giving water. Offering water Tulasi, this is also called Sukriti. But he did not know that was Tulasi plant. So unknowingly he is giving Tulasi. Unknowingly he is collecting the Sukriti. So for this regard, Bharibhakti Sumati, Bhaktistu Bhagadbhakta Sangena Parijayate Satsanga Prapate Punvi Sukriti Purvasanchitai. When sadhaka is Sukriti will be matured and accumulated, then he will get the association with sadhu. Or with the association with sadhu, Bhakti Devi will come. Bhakta Sanjati Bhakta. Bhakti comes from the heart of sadhu, the Bhakta. Understand?
Yes, but the fact that he had a tulsi in his garden, this was Krishna's mercy.
Krishna is giving mercy everywhere. Rain is everywhere. Why you can say why Tulasi plant and suddenly manifest in his garden? This is also Krishna's desire. Krishna is very merciful. Anyhow, Krishna arranged for us how we will get the Sukriti. And Vaishnava taking prasad, Mahaprasadam, throwing in the forest. Maybe the ants, small ants, they are eating. They don't know this is the Mahaprasad. So taking Mahaprasad also getting Sukriti. Ants' lives to coming, next life he will become human being. Look this. And Ramanujacharya's Katha. Once Ramanujacharya, he took his prasad with the incarnation of Lakshman, Baladev. Ramanujacharya took prasad. Then his remnants throw in the forest. Then one snake came, and snake ate the remnants of Ramanujacharya. Then his snake left his body and manifested a very nice, beautiful form and attained to Vaikuntha. Ramanujacharya's life history saying this. How is powerful the remnants of Ramanujacharya. Actually, that snake, he committed offenses, lotus feet of Vaishnava. So for this regard, he became snake body. But when he took the remnants of Ramanujacharya, then he delivered from the snake body and all his offenses disappeared. Look this, Ramanujacharya's life history saying this. How Ramanujacharya, he delivered the snake.
He was there.
So in this way, sadhak, ordinary sadhak, this Krishna arranged everything. Your Mahaprasad you are cooking and offering to Krishna. But lot of Mahaprasad, they what will do? Feeding the cows. So cows also eating or not? This is Mahaprasad.
The dogs, the cows.
Dogs, cows, or the ducks, many things here. And all they are eating, they also get benefit.
Yes.
This is called a Mahaprasad. Fardhiga Mahaprasadi Govindi Nama Rumani Vaishnavi Salpa Punna Vatang Rajan Visasana. Even the many devotees, they are coming in a Krishna consciousness, just they eating the Mahaprasad. Many devotees ask, how did you come in Krishna consciousness? Oh, you are going to the temple and every Sunday. Why? But take a nice delicious prasad. They are not going to Harikatha, nothing. When the bell ringing, Vajaba, Katava, Salasi, do Arati, then all they coming. Harikatha, they are not coming. Nothing. When they go, now Arati is coming, after Arati, they will give Mahaprasad. Then come. Then they every day coming. Then after few months, they completely vegetarian and they also devotee of Lord. This Mahaprasad also creates Sukriti. Or with this Sukriti, then they will become devotee of Lord, Bhagavad Bhakta. For the Bhakti Vedanta Sai Maharaj told, you give Mahaprasad, food for life, give the Mahaprasad to everything. And Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami, even in the one dog will come in my temple, he also give the Mahaprasad. One day dog will be devotee or not?
Yes. Sure.
But they take time. Bhaktistu Bhakta Sangana Parijayi Satsanga Prapati Pungvi Sukriti Purvasanji. Sukriti is. Sukriti means those who are related with Guru, Vaishnava and That is called Sukriti. Or Punna, that is called related with mundane things. Understand this? The mundane thing. That is not relation with bhakti or Vaishnava, nothing. Give an example. You give donation to one mundane people, who is very who is what is called helpless. Poor people. He is hungry. You feed to the poor people. Or you feed to the Vaishnava. What benefit you will get? You feed to the poor people. That is called Punna Karma. Or if same prasad and or you feed to Vaishnavas, that is Sukriti. Feeding both. You are feeding to mundane people or feeding to Vaishnavas. But if you are feeding to the mundane people, that is Punna. According to the Punna piety, you will go to heaven. Again will come down. But if you feed to the Vaishnavas, Sadhu, Guru, Seva, service, that is called Sukriti. Feeding both. But action and difference.
But if you give Mahaprasada to the poor people,
They also,
is also Punya Karma?
no, that is called Sukriti. They will get Sukriti. They will get Sukriti. You are helping them.
I told you once, my tulasi seeds fell from my house, from to the house, to the neighbor's house, and start to grow there, big tree. I was a little bit jealous. But then, after some time, he came, the owner of that house, and cut with a little violence. And so, what happened with that Sukriti is
Ignorance what to do.
ignorance.
Krishna will not take their offense. Okay, now go. Many hours to the bathroom. Gaur Premanand Vibhuti.
But some Sukriti still there.
Sukriti is there.
Anyhow,
Get Sukriti.
yes.
Even anyhow get the ear from the Tulasi. That Sukriti also given.
Yes.
Understand? In Tulasi, here Tulasi plant here. You were sitting. There the ear coming from Tulasi to you. Also get Sukriti.
Yes. Yes. You purify, no?
You purify your heart.
Yes.
Good Preman.
Yes.
Okay? Where is my Jopamala? Oh, they bring. Yeah. Right.
Qualquer coisa ele vai te produzir.
Ah, tá. Então vou ler que eu quero ver.
Tem algumas partes.
Começou a crescer lá muito mais forte do que eu. E eu fiquei um tanto.
E às vezes você cuida, e não.
Não, cuida bastante.